Hello and welcome everyone. I am Ms. Atiyan Khan Pathan, Assistant Professor at Engineering Science Department in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology Pune, is going to brief you about greenhouse effect, acid rain and water treatment process. So environmental pollution is the reason for the processes. You can see the pollution here. Greenhouse effect. The term greenhouse indicate heat trapping phenomena caused due to CO2 and water vapor. These are transparent to incoming solar radiation, but emitted infrared radiation cannot penetrate through them. As the percentage of CO2 increases, more and more solar radiations get trapped after they get reflected from the Earth's surface. This results in increase in temperature of the Earth's surface. Effects of greenhouse is it is estimated that present emission of greenhouse gases such as methane, etc., there will be rise in temperature of Earth's surface at a rate of 0. 0.2 to 0.5 degrees centigrade per decade. This will result in melting of ice caps, and a general rise in sea level is estimated to be 5 centimeter to 20 centimeter per decade. By the year 2050, the temperature rise could be as high as 1.5 to 4.5 degrees centigrade, and sea level rise could be 20 centimeter to 140 centimeter. Due to greenhouse effect, climate and precipitation will be affected drastically. This will also affect the ecosystem and agricultural cycle. You can see the greenhouse gases effect here. The process is called greenhouse effect because the glass cover of greenhouses used for agricultural purpose allows the short wavelength sun rays to penetrate in but traps the outgoing infrared radiation in the form of long waves. Due to this, temperature inside the greenhouse can be maintained at such a level so as that it suits the plant growth. The advantages of greenhouse: manipulation of growing season, around the year production of most desired crop, higher production per unit area is obtained, higher value and higher quality crop can be grown, drastic reduction in wastage of fertilizers and pesticides, efficient use of irrigation water, infestation of pests and diseases is eliminated, nursery for all vegetable crop can be grown, and suitable for rearing hardening of tissue culture plants. So this is the greenhouse and its effect you can see. Acid rain. It literally means presence of acid in precipitation. Acidification of environment is man-made phenomena. Industrialization use of fossil fuels is the main cause of acid rain. The main gases responsible for acid rain are SO2, NOx, etc. So this is the case of sulfur and its equation you can see here. Pure rainwater has pH of 5.5 to 7 and acid rain has pH which is dropped up to 2. So here you can see the effects of adverse effects of acid rain. So due to all the harmful gas that is released into the atmosphere that causes acid rain, and it further affects the human life, plant life and aquatic life. Let's go ahead with the water treatment process. The raw water from the natural streams is drawn into the coagulation tanks, and coagulants such as the alum is used for coagulation purpose or for the coagulation process. In coagulation tank, the alum or the coagulants is mixed thoroughly. In flocculation tank, the coagulants are allowed to form the thin film of coagulants over the particles, over the heavier particles and over the lighter particles. Then it is further transferred to the sedimentation tank where the heavier particles due to coagulation settles down and the water is further transferred to the filtration. The infiltration process, the water is passed through the sand filters and further Water is drawn from the bottom of the sand filters and it is then led towards the disinfection tank, where chlorine is added up to a certain amount to disinfect the particular water. The treated water is then stored on the higher elevation to be distributed to the consumers. At the consumer's end, 2%, 0.2% of chlorine should be available into the water. Into the filtration process, the water is made colorless. And into the disinfection process, the bacteria, organic bacteria is killed, and then the water is stored and then uh, distributed to the consumers. Here you can see the procedure of a water treatment plant, another pictorial view of it. So these are the real pictures of water treatment plant. This is the sedimentation tank you can see. So whatever sludge is drawn from the base of the sedimentation tank is led towards the sludge digesters, which can be further used for liberation generation of the methane gas, which can be used as the source of energy. This is again the pictures of the water treatment plant. Thank you.